One. All right, we're gonna hit these two accounts first. 25K accounts, the ones we lost on yesterday. We lose two on those. I'm gonna hop off. I gotta stay disciplined, man. Gotta stay disciplined. I'm really trying to not blow these two accounts in the first month here, man. Just got funded again on some new accounts, including my old ones, but my old ones are really like deep into drawdown here, so market open, it just pumped like 100 points. Let's see, some area of interest I would like us to see probably down here. Like this short area, you know. And then also right above here, internal highs. So those are some areas I'm interested in. See where price goes from there or where it looks like it wants to go, you know. Use these areas as kind of magnets. I want to wait for the range for the 15-minute or be open, but I mean, if there's a good setup, I will take it. Um, Nvidia right now just plummeting, kind of dipping through the lows here. ES looks like it might want to go through. It might want to follow, right? It looks like it wants to follow. No, they pop it right back up, man. Right back up. We might be going up here, you know. Let's see. So what I've kind of found out is that you get a good hour or two of trading, and then after that, that big move in the morning is gonna chop. Like most likely, it's gonna chop like the whole day. See, so see, Nvidia is just. Oh wow. Wait for a little bit of a pullback maybe here. Maybe we get a little bit of a pullback. If it gets down here and gets rejected again, maybe that's a little good long setup. But I mean, dude, rejection up here, strong rejection. Let's just see how this bar closes. Maybe I'll take it on one account here. It's very like less probable setup. So We got PMI at 845. That's usually when I want to trade anyways, right? But if this gives me a good setup, I might go for it here. Pumping. Looking, I don't know, and it's looking weak. It's looking weak. Yeah, look at it. It was kind of long there, but it looked hella weak. The 5 minute on the ES looking like a bearish pin bar here. Hmm. I think we're just gonna wait for the 15-minute range. It's looking like the play here because very choppy action. Very, very choppy price action right now, man. Little trend line right here. Just gonna, yeah, we break this onto the downside as it's a good short, I think. No, this might be a short here. Might. It's a lot of selling pressure, and there's a lot of. Damn, I knew I should have shorted there. Ah, fuck. Let's see if the push up and gets rejected again. We can see something. So this area is interesting. Yep, there's a pullback right there. News comes out in 3 minutes, though. I think it's just smarter to wait, man. You know. So iffy here. Getting stuck at the VWAP. If we break this VWAP here, it's a good chance we continue lower. Pushing back up to the EMAs, gets rejected at the VWAP. Get rejected at the EMAs. The hour candle trying to push. Trying to push down. We do have PMI news in 2 minutes, so I actually don't want to enter here. I don't want to enter here. I don't want to enter on the news. I'm just gonna wait, play it safe. I mean, you can't always just play it safe, but today I am. News into at 45. Yeah. So we broke this trend line. So we think I'm looking for a short here. I'm not gonna lie here. If we maybe get a 5 minute close below this VWAP, there's plenty of room to dump. plenty of room here. But I think we're just stalling out here because of the news. So let's see what happens once news comes out here in about 1 minute. Scary reaction down there. That's very scary. Holy moly. We're hitting the EMAs again. Let's see if it rejects this time here. So the hourly wick, very indecisive. Looking bearish though. Looking very bearish. Have plenty of room to go down here. And we are in this, I think it's our fair value gap. News came out. Let's see. There's the news. It's too much risk right there. I need some more structure, right, to short. Even though it looks like a good short, that's too much risk for me personally. Um, so I need some structure to build out first, so I can short this and put my stop maybe above the structure. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. That hourly candle really, not sure. If Nvidia can dump, there's some structure right here. That's what I like to see. As long as it doesn't push up and breaks above these highs, we're good to go on the shorts, right? But this reaction is very scary if you do want to short. You don't want that much of a momentum reaction down there. That, I mean, we are getting stuck at the VWAP here. If it pushes through that VWAP, that's not good. Wow, holy shit. Okay. So that hourly candle looking back kind of bullish ish. We pulling all the way back up. Holy moly. Let's take rid of it. We'll get rid of this. Um, 15-minute range. Let me see. Let's mark it out for y'all. For me, actually. Wow, that push back up. That's crazy. Doesn't look good. Look at this. Let's chop. I think we're just chopping the whole day now. Holy shit. Okay. If I want this, if I'm banking on a breakout, right? I'm gonna have to see it break out strong. Holy shit, man. Because looking at the hour, we're just in a big ass range here. Look at this. Was that the five? Yeah, that was a five. Looking at the five, actually, we're in a big ass range. Look at this five. So it has to break out convincingly here. And the 15. Look at this 15, dude. Holy shit. So this hourly looks kind of bullish now. Need maybe a little bit of pullback. Just a little bit of pullback. Come on, a little bit. I think it will here. I think it will give us a little bit of a pullback, maybe. Very tough price action to trade right now. This here should have dumped, so and they wicked it all the way back up. Um, it's real tough. Yeah, so the hourly looks very bullish. Hourly looks crazy bullish. If it starts pumping here, I will enter long because ES looks crazy good. Yeah, ES got some strength too. Nvidia just kind of chop. Yo, this chop is crazy, man. Look at that chop right here, dude. I would have definitely entered long normally, on this, but yeah, it's a very fucking weird day right now, dude.
Order submitted. Order filled.
What the fuck just happened? Well, honey, I'm break evening right now. Break even. I don't care. If we lose this, it's gonna be break even. If it goes, it goes.
Order
Okay,
filled.
there we go. I don't know what the fuck happened there, dude. I feel like we get a little bit of a pullback. Yep, look at it. And yeah, chop. Chop. See, this is why I go break even. Because if it would have went, it would have went, right? And I don't know what happened. I dead ass entered right here and it just lagged. Entered me right here at top of the big candle. And this chop is fucked. Pulling back. Looks like an early log off day, honestly, man. What the fuck? This shit lame. This shit so lame. Why the heck is the music? I had no music playing the whole time. Pulling back to the EMAs now. Got to be very careful here because normally we would break out, right? Um, maybe I'd take a trade here if it breaks out. If it tries to break out one more time, just to see if we can break the highs and get this 15-minute orb set up to go. If that hour candle if this hourly candle straightens out, We got 5 minutes left on it. So, wow, nice, nice, nice. This candle is weird. Look at this candle here. No wicks on the top or the bottom, right? So, just sold and closed. No contesting, you know. Let's see if it breaks this high here. Some good volume. Let's see here. Very choppy here. Very, very choppy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter on here. Pretty nice little bull flag. Come on, give me some momentum so I can move to break even here. Because if it wants to go, it will go. Don't care. We're looking really good. Maybe aiming for that break. Push, 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 push. Break even. Break even. I don't care. If it goes, it will go. If it will go, it will go. It will. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Break even. Nothing's gonna stop, man. Give me 20 points at least. We're going. We're not going. 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 Fucking A, just go. Fuck. Stopped out. Stopped out for the little popped out. So the way I trade, I changed it up because of these days like this, man. It's gonna have be way more break-even days, but way more break-even trades. But that's better than losing, honestly. There's the push. There's the push. God damn it. God fucking damn it. God fuck. Fuck. There's that whip back down. Maybe a little pullback. Maybe not. Maybe not. That hourly candle looks like it wants to go for these highs here. If we break up the highs, I might enter for a little longer dong. Longer. The hour candle actually closes in 2 minutes, so the shit tough. You know, the shit tough. 2 break-even trades, but that's okay, right? That first break-even saved me, and the second one might too, because it hasn't hit my take profit. Oh, now it has. That would have hit me out. Uh,
Order filled.
enter there for a little long. I'm gonna take like 15 points here. Come on. If it breaks down here, I'm done. I'm done for these accounts. Okay, so the one I should have entered, shouldn't have entered, that fucking hourly candle about to close. So it fuck, fuck. It's pushing back down.
Order canceled.
Who the fuck are you? I am Hockey Man.
So yeah, I only exited there because the fucking hourly candle was gonna close, and usually when that closed, we make a move in the opposite direction. You know, like putting a little wick in the opposite direction, which it's trying to do right now, right? So that's why I exited. Because we are going for a little pullback here. Nvidia rebounding from the lows all the way to the highs now. If ES, Nvidia, and then Nasdaq can follow with all of them going in the same, direction, sort of, I will enter for another long, but it's looking pretty weak up here. The bear seems pretty strong from this morning, so I'm gonna wait and see how they want to play this. What the Bears thinking? Because the Bears are thinking. I know what the Bears are thinking actually. That this is a range day, and it's gonna pull back. They're gonna try and pull it back down here, and it's gonna range. Or we push back up after this pullback here. It's gonna pull back. Look, it's pulling back. Kind of glad I left that trade now. Holy moly! Look at this shit, man. So the pullback here, looking at the 5, pulling back to previous support. Took out this whole wick, and we might just sweep it and go back down and chop, which is very likely happening a lot. On the hourly, see how this wick closed, and now we're just pushing back the opposite way. That's exactly why I left that trade. Thank God. But I think we maybe we push back to the EMAs. That's very, very like asking a lot of it, but it's not. It's possible we might pull back here and bounce from there once again. But now we're just back in the fucking 15-minute range, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know, man. It's crazy. So this is exactly the area I would expect it to bounce. We made a gap. Now we're gapping back down. We're trading into this gap here. Yeah, this gap gets respected, and then we make another strong little push to the upside. Could be a little long setup again. Could be. So we got like 3 break-even trades so far, right? I mean, that's good. At least they're not losers, right? That's exactly why I added that rule, because of days like this. Fucking hate it. Like if it's gonna go, I want it to go right away. Here it is. Look at it. Here it is. Look at it. Making a wick now. Going back up. Holy fuck. Please don't. No. No. No, bruh. No. Wait for me, gang. Wait for me. Wait for me. Don't go yet. Wait for me. Please wait for me, man. Wait for me. So as long as this doesn't break the highs instantly, and it forms some sort of structure right here, so I can know where to place my stop. Right now, they're trying to make this into a little bear trend. Back down. Let's see the reaction. I'm liking this. Looking very trappy though. Looks trappy. I'm liking it, but I can tell this shit low key a trap. I can't tell, but
Order filled.
fuck. Fuck. They got me. They got me good. Got me good. Got me good. They got me good. As soon as I entered, bro. Fuck. Saved by the doji. Come on, bulls. Push this shit back up. Yeah, this doesn't look good, guys. Sheesh. Sheesh. I mean, it looks better. Break even again.
Order
Bang.
filled.
This is why we break even. We break even because if it goes, it's going to go. If it doesn't, we get stopped out for a break even. You know? So now I'm gonna switch to the other account. Switch to this one. Let me see. Load the 50K. Now we wait. Like, you can see I'm in the zone, right? I'm in the zone I was drawing. So this low-key acts as a magnet. If we gotta set up into the zones, I'm taking it, right? So this, from the structure, it might sweep these highs and come back down and chop out the whole day. So if we do try breakout again, we are maybe going for these highs here. So let me kind of mark that out here. That's the line I wanted to see here. We got some room. Chopped all the way back down here. to the EMAs. Didn't break the highs. Failed to break the highs, so it might be a short. Might be a short from here. If we get a push down breaking these lows, and then a push up, kind of like, and then, you know, all the way back down. Honestly, this looks fucking. I fucking hate that price action right now. You know, this. Look at this, man. Oh my. It just looks like a huge fucking range. Like, I can't, bro. It's like fucking shit. Oh, there's a short. There's a little short I'm talking about, but I mean now it looks like it's ranging, man. If it okay, I want to see if it actually looks like a range, like if it actually plays out. So we come up here and we chop back down. Let's see if it goes back up. Pushing right back up. Fucking A. Fucking A. They're gonna do this at the in a range, right? At the outskirts of the range, that's when it's very, very choppy. Like they're gonna fuck you over. They're gonna fuck you over first and then go to the direction that's meant to go, right? It's gonna fuck everyone over first and then go. That's what they're gonna do. Like right here, pushed up, and then fucked everyone over. Looking like a breakout, fucked everybody over. Boom. So just waiting, be patient. Be a little patient. Looks like we go back up, man. Looks like we go back up. But it's gonna be a very choppy way back up. Very, very choppy way back up. I do think we break out here to the upside, but the question is when. Like when do we break out, right? So they're gonna dead ass fuck everyone over. A lot of people over first, and then push higher, I think. We about to dump here. We about to. It's getting real close to the VWAP as well as the middle of the 15-minute range. And 15-minute range, the middle of the 15-minute range has historically been, a very strong point of support. See, we're getting a rejection right off the middle here. But I mean, Nasdaq don't give a fuck, gang. Nasdaq don't give a fuck. I need a break of these highs, maybe like a push from every single confluence. Like, need ES to break the highs, Nasdaq push back up, break these highs, and then I need also Nvidia to push. Right now we straight rejecting off this little fair value gap right here. Also this fair value gap down here. So we're just ranging right here. No one knows to do. We just stuck. Looks like a pretty good short though, but so you know how that shit goes. As long as we're still above this VWAP, I don't want to short it. Do we drop lower here through this VWAP order? Or they're gonna buy this back up here? What do we do here? That hourly candle looks very bearish. Very, very bearish. Now we're below the VWAP on the hourly. Actually, we see this is exactly what I was I was talking about. Look at it. It pushed up, wicked out all the highs of this candle, and now it's trying to go back down. It's getting stuck here at the EMAs here. If we go through the EMAs, very, very, very strong probability that we go and sweep these lows, right? So accumulation, they sweep the highs, sweep the lows, get all the orders, and then move into the direction that the market is meant to go. So Nvidia here, stuck at the lows, but it looks like it wants to go down. Yeah, we're back at the VWAP, looking kind of weak. So maybe I look for a short. Give me a push back up here. We're at the VWAP, like this. There's a very, very strong possibility of a little push here. Push up, push, push, push. Actually getting a dump from every single person, every single chart person. See if they invert this gap. Inverse this gap, I mean. See they inverse this gap. There is a little rejection. Get a push back up here. And then maybe we push through this fair value gap right here. The 5 looking bearish. Very bearish in the 5. Super bearish on the 5. So we are stuck at the VWAP. Well, now we're kind of stuck. Yeah, we're stuck at the VWAP. Waiting to see here. Might go. There's the break. Break these lows first. Let's see. Having a very hard time breaking these lows here. Broke through the lows. Maybe a little push back up for another break to sell off. Usually the first move is a fake. You know, they want to. Maybe we sweep internal liquidity. Sweep this. Come back down. Looking like a fake, man. No cap. Looking like a nice fake out. Looking like a nice little trappy trap for the Bears if you're shorting. But if we get up here and get rejected one more time, that's a nice little short. I wouldn't be afraid. I wouldn't be mad if I lose it. I lose that trade, right? If we get rejected and push back down, breaking these lows. If we get a sweep here, that'd be an A+ setup. In this type of day, though, I don't know. You know, in this type of day, it's like directional range. Goes up. It's giving some moves. It's not like it's very small of a range, but still not very directional, right? Nvidia is pumping back up a little bit here. That's why I didn't enter that trade yet. If this breaks the lows, I will enter there, you know.
Order filled.
Go for these little lows. Come on, man. Come on. I like this setup. I really like it. Like I like it here. One move. Having such a hard time pushing through here. Very hard time pushing through here. This is a very nice setup, but you know, I don't think this is the condition to trade this setup at the moment. Let's hit a little push down. I'll move this to break even as soon as it does. As soon as it hits like 10 points. Very nice. back up here. Come on, just flush it real quick, man.
Order canceled.
I'm taking it there because we're having a very hard time going down there. Take my 10. Take my 10. Ah, shit. There's the dump, right? But still looks like a good short. If it's looking like we might get a test back up here. A little test. Give me a nicer little test, you know. I'll enter there. Video. Sheesh. We're below VWAP, below all the EMAs. Oh, breakout. Breakout. There's the break. See, why the fuck did I take it early? Bro, fuck, cause I had it at break even. I had it at break even. There was literally no reason to fucking take it early, man. No reason. No fucking reason. No fucking reason. Don't do it like me. Don't do me. Don't follow me, man. There was dead ass no reason to fucking sell early there. It didn't push up at all, right? I moved it to break even after that move. It didn't push up at all, and I sold anyways. Fuck.
Order filled.
Short it again.
Order canceled.
Now I want push back up. I want push back up before I do anything. I need to push back up here. Build out a little structure for us to go lower. There's that little push up. Just a little bit of push. Nvidia giving us some trouble here. So we just swept the low of that previous 1 hour candle, right? Expecting some push up, but we have a lot of room to go still. There's a little pushback up to the EMAs, bottom of the 15-minute orb, right? We pulled up. See, this is not out of the ordinary for NASDAQ. We fucking opened, pulled all the way up to the 15-minute range, dumped all the way down to the 15-minute range low. But so we went to the highs of the 15-minute range, pulled all the way back to the 15-minute range low, went all the way to the highs, swept the highs a couple times, pulled back all the way back down now. Now it looks like it wants to go back up. Oh my god. So market been open for an hour and 30 minutes, and we have visited the 15-minute range, top and bottom, about 1, 2, 3, like 4 times, 5 times, bro. You know what I'm saying? That shit's so fucking lame price action, dude. Now this looks that hourly candle making that bottom wick. It should have held that short. I'm a fucking idiot. Was no risk at all. Why did I take it off? I don't know. I'm scared of break evens. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bruh. That would have been a great win. Then, good looking little bounce from the bottom. And that's exactly why I took my 4 points down here, bro. Because that shit happens way too much. Shit happens way too much. Dude. We're getting there, guys. Slowly but surely. A little grind. Grind out these accounts, man. I made up kinda like half of my drawdown so far, but we're still in drawdown crazy here. Pushing back up to the VWAP, we could very well get stuck here and then range, boom, 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 boom. Or we push back up to the highs, which is the least likely option, but it's on the table. It's on the table for sure. Looking at that hourly wick. Look at that fucking wick, dude. So we swept the lows of these two previous candles. It didn't actually hit pretty close to my little box here, but we're just ranging in between these two levels. So we still have room up here to push higher for these little weak liquidity spots. They could be going for that now. Yeah. Just wait here. Caught a couple good trades. You know, I'm not mad. I am kind of mad that I closed early, even though I was at break even, right? There was no fucking risk, and I closed early. I'm a fucking idiot. Like, I have things to work on too. This is why I made this fucking channel. I have things to work on. And I definitely fear of giving back is probably my worst trait in trading, man. There's that pullback. Little rejection here. It could go either way at this point. At this little area is very, very dangerous. We can bear flag here, looking like it wants to build it out. Got the bull flag here. in a gigantic range. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. The ES is also on the 5 minute chart. The ES getting stuck at the fucking 9 EMA, 21 EMA. Yeah. We are just kind of consolidating at this area. Might be a little bull flag playing out here. I mean bear flag. Might be a little bear flag. Might be a little bear flag. Oh, look at it. Nvidia. Yes, dump it. Jeez. That was a nice little short. We just have to wait. Might just chop out here. Chop, chop, chop. Might just bought out Nvidia. Dumping. Needs to break these lows. Not looking very light. Need to break the lows. Maybe. Nvidia not dumping. I need some strong dumping pressure here. It just okay, I want to see this maybe pull back up here, push back up, get stuck here once again at the EMA, then drop again, right? That's ideal. Because now we know there's sellers. Now we know there's interest. Getting stuck at this fair value gap right here. I don't really use fair value gaps, but I use it as confluence. If there's one, I will use it. If they break this fair value gap and push lower, right? It's a pretty nice little short.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna start one. Or push back down. Too early here. Push some more. There it is. I'm at break even now, so I'm not scared to lose here. But if it goes, it will go. If it's gonna go, it will go. Take me out, please. Take me out.
Order canceled.
And I'm gone because look at it. It didn't want to break the lows. It didn't break it quick enough, so I'm out. Yeah, so I think I'm getting off for today. Those are some pretty nice trades. I think we didn't take a single loser. It was all break evens and winners. So I'm really liking the rule I had, that break even rule after, you know, some strong momentum. Really saves your ass from closing early, even though I did. And this time I did too, just because that reaction, it happened so many times. I knew that shit was gonna happen. Like, kind of knew, right? This push back up, I didn't want to be in it anyways, right? Even though I could have put my stop right here. Let's see if it plays out. Boom, I would have gotten stopped out. Break even rule saves my ass. No cap. Um, I really want to take another trade. Nah, I'm gonna be. Oh my god, this shit looks fucking good though. Nah, I'm getting off. I'm getting off. Oh my god, I'm getting off. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm getting off. All them wins, good time to get off right here. So, good day today. See y'all tomorrow. We'll be on at the same time. 8:30, 8:40, whatever, something around there. But yeah.